Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, today we're going to be doing some earrings, and I'm going to be adding a couple of elements. I am going to be adding this chain. I had this chain left over from a previous project, and you know what? I just hate to throw away pieces. I don't know if you're like me, but I just hate throwing away pieces that I know I could use in the future. So I saw this and I was like, oh, that has the perfect length for me to do a beautiful earring. I would like to put some ear wires from one side and maybe an angel wing or something from the bottom. So I just need one link of the big ones, two of the big links, and then one smaller link, and then again a big one and then a smaller one. So I'm gonna probably end up using the whole chain that I have here. That way I don't put it to waste. And I'm also going to try to see if I can find, I have a couple of little angel wings here. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. I have, look at the chain, how pretty it is. I have so many angel wings. I kind of like this one. Let me put it over here on the light so you can see it. I have this one. But then I also have these smaller ones. They're so pretty. I really like angel wings. I think there's something special. Look at that one. That is so pretty. I think I'm gonna go with that one. That is so pretty. I have different ones here in different colors. And if you're wondering where I got this at Hobby Lobby. They come in like a packet, and the packet has different ones. I love these right here. They're so pretty. I think those are the ones I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to use that. So let me move this aside a little bit so you can see. Okay, then I'm going to grab some ear wires here. So let's do that. And of course, we're going to need some jump rings because this is going to be a super simple, quick project. So I'm going to need a couple of these for the wings. And I think that's it, but just in case, I'm going to leave it somewhere here close. Okay, so let's look at this chain. I have one big one. There's a second one. So I think I'm just going to do those two. And then maybe with two links. And then I'll have this one. And then this one. So I still have some more chain. Interesting. Now this chain, as you can see, it opens right there. So I'm going to need another type of plier here. I'm just going to grab this front to back like always. Okay. And I'm going to, no, that's the one I'm going to keep. I'm going to remove this side. Okay, going to close it here. And then I'm going to look for the middle link. I'm going to undo this side because this is the link I don't need. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to grab my jump ring front to back. I am going to put my wing in here. And I'm going to put it through the link. And then I want to close it. That's cute. I like that. And then I have a choice of opening this right here to put it in, but I don't want to do that. I'm going to open the actual ear wire. So let's find number front to back. And then let me see where my earring is going to hang. So that way, and I'm going to close it. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute that looks. That's absolutely stunning. I love that. Simple. And then I think I'm going to add some other things here. So let's finish this one. Oh, that looks so cute. Look at that. That looks so cute. I love it. I love it. But I think to make it more special, I'm going to add another pair of wings to it. And I'm going to put that pair of wings hanging from this one right here. Okay, these two are the same. So one goes for one side. One goes for right here. This one goes right here. I'm going to put the little one on the top, this one here. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to find the pair of that one. Okay, and let's grab, I need 4 more jump rings. These are going to be my angel wings. Earrings. How pretty. Okay, let's grab the jump ring, front to back. We're going to put it at the bottom here. With this one, we're going to close it. Again, front to back. And then we're going to grab, that is so cute. I keep saying it's so cute because sometimes I just feel like I'm inspired and I just want to do it. And sometimes it turns out to be beautiful and sometimes it just doesn't work out. Oh no, my jump ring doesn't fit the hole of that one. See how that hole is too small for this jump ring? Okay, no problem. I'm going to find a jump ring for it. But I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to put it through here. I'm going to close this one. I think this is so pretty. And then now I'm going to find a smaller. This is a 6mm jump ring, so it's probably going to need a 4mm. I put it, oh, where did I put it on the last one? And I'm going to put it in there. This is just absolutely beautiful. There we go. And our earrings are done. Look how pretty. This one's going to be an angel. My angel wing earring. That's what I want to call it. Oh, that's so pretty. There we go. There it is, you guys. Very quick, simple, and easy. I really hope that you've enjoyed the tutorial. Super simple earrings, beautiful. And until next time, God bless.